Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Moana look and dress to impress for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this face, and you can color your skin tan. Okay, just like this. And the next one, we're going to wear this top. Okay, and we're going to color it brown orange, and then wear this butterfly top, this one, and you're going to change the toggle to classic. Wait, okay, change the toggle to classic, and you're going to color it with the same color. Okay, and then we're going to go to the skirt area. It's right here, and then wear the skirt, color it white, and also this one. Okay, and just color it white. All right, and then we're going to wear this item as the accessory. Okay, and then I'm going to add belt from here. Okay, let me go to this area and wear this belt. Okay, and we're going to color it brown orange. Okay, then let's move to the necklace. I'm going to wear this necklace, this one, and we're going to color it gray for the first selection and also for the second selection. Okay, and then you can style the Princess Moana look with another accessory. I'm just going to use this flower. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.